In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Hostinger Coming Soon page. If you've just set up a new website with Hostinger and you're ready to showcase it to the world, you might find that there's a Coming Soon page standing in your way. Don't worry, it's a common feature used to let visitors know that something exciting is in the works. However, when your website is ready, you'll want to remove it to make your content accessible. Let's walk through the process together. First, make sure you are logged into your Hostinger account. You'll need access to your hosting dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, navigate to the hosting section from your main dashboard. This is usually located right at the top of the page or in the main menu options. Here, you'll see a list of your hosting plans and domains. Identify and select the domain you wish to update. This will direct you to the control panel associated with your domain. Now that we are on the control panel, look for the File Manager icon or link. File Manager is a handy tool that allows you to directly access your website's files without the need for an external FTP client. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to a visual representation of your website's file structure. There, you want to locate the public HTML directory, as this is where your website's root files are located. Within the public HTML directory, we're looking for a specific file called index.html. This is the default homepage file that's why your visitors see when they access your site. The Coming Soon page is generally saved as this file, so we need to deal with it directly. What you need to do is either rename this file or completely delete it. To rename the file, you can right-click on index.html and select Rename. Change the name to something you'll recognize, like Index Backup HTML, in case you want to revert back later. If you're absolutely certain you won't need the Coming Soon page again, you can simply delete this file. However, proceed with caution, deleting the wrong file could affect your website. Once you have renamed or deleted the default index.html file, it's time to ensure that your website's real homepage is named correctly. Check that your actual homepage file is named index.php or index.html, depending on your configuration. That's it. You've successfully removed the Coming Soon page from your Hostinger site. Give it a few minutes to propagate and refresh your site to see your new live homepage. By following these steps, you allow your site's audience to finally engage with your content. If you run into any issues, Hostinger's support team is always ready to lend a helping hand. Thank you for tuning in, and happy website managing.